Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, in today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze, and if you guys have a Chevy Cruze and the rear view mirror does not dim on its own, guys, it's automatic mirror, we'll show you guys which fuse to check. Now that's a common problem. Let's say you have a guy with a headlights behind you guys and blinds you and the mirror doesn't dim itself. This is just, it could be just a fuse, it could be the mirror itself. We'll have all that on the channel. Now we guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by providing all these videos to you. So please guys, subscribe, like the channel and drop a comment. Let us know, guys, what you like, what you don't about the channel, so we can improve and make better videos for you. So this is the mirror I'm talking about, guys. Okay, rear view mirror, not dimming itself. As you know, it's an automatic one. So okay, we'll explain, guys, which fuse is for that mirror and how to replace it. So you have some fuse boxes, guys. Okay, some fuses in a fuse box. Okay, right here. But it's not there, guys. Okay, that mirror, okay, the fuse is actually under the hood. So we need to go there. Okay, open the hood, support it. Doesn't matter which engine you have, the procedure is the same. And this is the fuse box that we're looking at. So we need to now go ahead and remove the cover. You have 1, 2, 3 clips, so you need to squish on each side of those, pull up. Okay, this one here as well. Now those are the fuses, guys, okay, that we're looking at. Okay, perfect. Let me just adjust it. Okay, like that. Now the fuse that we're looking at, guys, is fuse number 53. This is, guys, fuse number 53 right here. So we'll go ahead and remove it, okay, by pulling that tooth back and pull it up. Go on top of the fuse and just, okay, pull it out. That thing is stuck there, probably because it burned. Now you can, guys, definitely see that this fuse is burnt. Okay, the element inside, it's not one continuous piece, it's broken. But if you're in doubt, guys, you can always use a voltmeter. Okay, like the one we have here. Any voltmeter would work, but this is very good for car diagnostic as well. You can find it, guys, listed in the description of the video below. I will set it at continuity testing here, guys. Okay, and if the fuse is good, it should give us 0 on the screen. Nothing. So I'll get a new fuse, replacement fuse, guys. You can check those out, guys, listed in the description of the video below. Really good deal on fuses. I couldn't believe I got them for such a good price. Now we test both ends of the fuse, and the good fuse, guys, we're going to get a 0 on the screen, so that is great. So now, guys, okay, everything should work fine. If it burns again, then you have a problem with your mirror and causes the fuse to burn continuously. So don't forget to install your fuse puller here as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.